big fan of using all the tools and tech that's out there to help me reach my finance goals. Why not let an app do the job rather than you? So here is a list of my favorite tools to help you smash your money goals. Number 1, a budget. A budget is an absolute non-negotiable when trying to get ahead with money. If you don't have one, it's like trying to swim through custard. You might make some progress, but you're not going far. It does not matter whether you want to complete a budget on paper or prefer to use a spreadsheet. The important thing is to have one and record everything on it. Your budget should include everything that you have coming in and exactly what you intend to do with it, down to the last penny. I recommend doing a full budget at least once a month, but completing a weekly check-in to make sure that you are still on track. You can do any adjustments then too. I have both printable budget sheets and a spreadsheet that you can download to help get you started with this. The links are in the description. 2, an income tracker. This is a huge motivational tool for me. I use an income tracker to record all the money that comes my way. When you have several side hustles on the go, this is a great way to record and track your progress. It also makes you realize how successful you have been over the last month or so. This can then inspire you to push for greater success the following month. It's also a good way to show gratitude for all the money that comes to you. Number 3, automated savings. Hopefully, after you've created a budget, you will know how much money you are going to be saving each month. You need to create a standing order that moves this money from your current account to a savings account. By automating this, you will make the same payment into your savings account every month without any effort from you. An extra trick would be to move it to an account that makes it slightly tricky to get it back out, therefore making it harder for you to access that cash. You could have more than one savings account with different withdrawal limits, so that some of it is really hard to get to and some of it is easier. Number 4, cashback sites. Cashback sites like Quidco and Top Cashback have been around for ages now. If you are not utilizing them yet, then you are leaving money on the table. When you have to spend money, you might as well spend as little as you possibly can. You'll get the same product at the end. Quidco has a Chrome extension that will tell you when you do a Google search how much cashback is available through that retailer. It makes it all very simple. 5, banking and budgeting apps. Almost all banks have a dedicated app these days, and some of the best banks are now app only, like Monzo and Starling. Check out this video for a comparison and more details. Having these on your phone allows you to easily keep track of your spending and make transfers and payments with a few clicks. There are even apps such as Snoop that will read your bank accounts and analyze your spending, helping you to look for bad habits. They will also allow you to set budgets to stay on target for the month ahead. You'll be able to categorize your expenditure for future analysis. In short, they have lots of utility built into the apps you can utilize to manage or automate a lot of the work. 6, savings apps. These are great for making small but consistent additions to your savings. These apps will make small monthly withdrawals from your account after looking at what you can afford. They then save or invest this money for you. Depending on the app you use, there are a lot of ways that you can save. Roundup is something many of us have heard of before, but how about automatically saving every time it rains, or another creative and fun way? You should barely notice these payments going out, and the amount of money should grow steadily. You can then check on them once a month to see how they are doing and add the total to your savings pot. You set your goals because you wanted to achieve them, so why not throw everything you can at it? These tools exist to help you, so go on and use them, and if you do, let me know in the comments if they helped or not. For a more detailed look at how banking apps can help you manage your money, check out this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.